Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you RentAHuman.ai review. So you might be wondering, what is RentAHuman.ai? So RentAHuman.ai is an online marketplace that connects AI agents, businesses, and individual users with real people who can complete tasks in the physical world. Now, according to the official website here, it's designed to bridge the gap between AI, or what AI can do digitally, and what still requires human presence, such as running errands, attending events, testing products, taking photos, conducting store audits, or creating content. Now, the platform describes itself as the marketplace for AI agents hire humans. Now, the platform offers two main ways to use it. So, if you're looking to hire someone, you can browse available people by skills, location, and hourly rate, or post a task, also called a bounty, where interested workers can apply. Now, the website supports secure payments through an escrow system, meaning funds are held until the task is completed according to the agreed requirements. Now, for developers, Rent a Human also provides REST API and MCP integration, allowing AI agents to automatically search for workers, post tasks, and manage the hiring process. Now, using the website Rent a Human is quite straightforward. Now, you just need to create an account and decide whether you want to hire someone or offer your service. Now, if you're hiring, describe the task, choose a category, set the budget, and in this case, define what counts successful completion. Now, publish the bounty afterwards. Now, workers can apply after which you select the person you want to hire here. So once the work is completed or finished, you've confirmed it meets your requirements, payment is released through the platform's escrow system. Now, if you're joining as a worker, you create a profile, payment after successfully completing the task here. So from then on, you need to list your skills, browse available task, apply for ones that you're interested in. So yeah, according to the official website as well, so Rent a Human has more than like 500,000 registered humans across over 100 countries and supports a wide variety of task categories, including research, delivery, creative project, product testing, events, marketing campaigns, and local errands here. The platform also allows businesses to launch large-scale campaigns and lets developer integrate AI agents directly through its API. Now, that's essentially how RentAHuman.ai works. It functions as a marketplace where people or AI agents here can outsource real-world tasks to human workers, while the platform manages task listings, application, and secure payments. Now, if you're interested in using RentAHuman.ai, doing your own research is always recommended, and this applies for anything or any kind of service that you're trying online. Now, looking at reviews and information from sources outside the official website and reading the platform's payments, escrow, and task policies can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.